Well, right now we are reporting from the banks of Tons River and extensive damage has been reported in several areas near the banks of Tons River because of the flash floods that arrived late night in Dehradun. And let me quickly show you these visuals from the banks. The bridge over here has completely been collapsed, due to which the connectivity has completely stopped. It is also being stated to us that there has been these electricity poles, these billboards has been collapsed, several hotels just nearby this Tons River has also fallen into the river as well. The levels of Tons River was much higher yesterday, but it has come down. But there has been several places where rescue work is still going on. As far as this area is concerned, this is Premnagar area, and it is just a few meters away from the Uttaranchal University, where hundreds of students study. And on the other side of this particular bridge is these hostels that you see, in which several of the students used to live, but the connectivity has completely been broken because of this bridge collapse. There you can see the entire area fallen into the Tons River. People living nearby this area has come over here to the banks to see the condition. These are students as well as the people living by this this area. But it's just not this area in Premnagar in Dehradun, but also other areas as well, which has been reported such kind of damages. There are people who the NDRF, SDRF teams are rescuing as well. But as my camera person is showing these visuals from the banks of Tons River, there you can see the entire corner has completely been damaged. But as I was mentioning, it is also Sastradhara, which has been one place which has also seen several hotels, shops collapsing into the river. As I was mentioning, that this particular river, which is Tons River, the levels have come down. But as IMD has predicted that there might be such situation in the near future as well in the upcoming few days, where there could be cloudburst possibility in the upper areas of Uttarakhand, and people had been advised to live or not to come near the river, perhaps to go few meters away from such places where the river flows. But here we can see several people also coming in to see how this damage has occurred. Of course, the connectivity has completely been stopped, but the rescue operations in several areas in Dehradun is still underway. With the journalist Ashwin, this is Aishwarya Jain for NDTV in Dehradun.